How to convert MKV to MP4 using VLC Media Player. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can convert MKV to MP4 using VLC Player. So let's dive in. First, you have to come to this search bar and search for VLC Media Player and open it. And once it's open, click this media option on the top left corner and then click convert or save in the drop down menu. And it's going to pop up with this page, and here you have to click this add and add a video over here from your desktop. This is a MKV file, and then once you add it, you have to click convert or save over here. And now once you click convert or save, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to open this profile option. And you just have to scroll through over here and choose the MP4 format over here like this one. And once done, you can just choose a destination file for that browse and then choose the desktop and click save, and now click start. And it's going to convert MKV to MP4, and that's a process that you can follow to convert MKV to MP4 using VLC Media Player. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.